Ngenxa yokwanda kokucasana ngokobuzwe, ubuhlanga nangeyibalo okuthe chithisaka umhlaba wonke, inhlangano iSivananda World Peace Foundation ibeyisihlela umcimbi ohlanganisa izinhlaka ezahlukene ngenhloso yokwakha ubumbano nokuthula phakathi kwezizwe. Lo mcimbi obizwa ngeJust Love ohlelwe ngusomabhizinisi Ishwar Ramlutchman Mabhekazulu ungenziwa ngeminyaka yonke, uhlonishwe ngabaholi bezenkolo abavela ezweni laseGermany, abaholi bezombusazwe kanye noNdlunkulu kaMchiza wasenyokeni.
Umcimbi Just Love Festival ohlelwe usomabhizinisi Ishwar Mabhekazulu Ramlutchman ukhombise ukuqhubeka nokudlondlobala nonyaka njengoba ubuhanjelwe nangabaholi abehlukene kanye nezinkumbi zabantu bezinhlanga ezihlukene. Ramlutchman uyachaza ngalomcimbi.
This festival is bringing people together to highlight the transformation of love in one's life, and where we must come together as a nation, build a nation, and accept one another and pick up one another so that we could prosper as a nation. We've seen so much of challenges in society, and we said no, that we must do something as the Sivananda World Peace Foundation to bring our people together, whether you are black, white, whatever color you are, it's just colors, but when we look at humanity, we look at the spirit of Ubuntu, and we must revive the spirit of Ubuntu when we look at humanity.
uNdlunkulu wesile sesebuza uNdlunkulu Mamchiza wasenyokeni uthi kwakuhlale kuyisifiso sembube umdlokombane ukuba ingxenye yalomcimbi wokwakha ubumbano.
It was his wish to celebrate a day like this when we all come together and celebrate just love. He loved to see his subjects, to see his people loving one another, taking care of one another.
Imeya masipala eKing Cetshwayo uThamintulo beyingxenye yalomcimbi uthi ke lo mlayezo wozwana obushonyayelwa kulomcimbi uma ungasabalala nezwe lonke hleze kungapheza ukuba khona kwezigameko zokuhlukunyezwa esezaba insakavukela okumchilo wesidwaba.
Ukuhlanganisa amasiko kwenza kuba sibe isizwe esibumbene, ikakhulukazi umlayezo esiucoshile wokuthula ukuba sithandane, ukuba sihloniphana sasisana sibumbane. Ngoba umlayezo omkhulu kakhulu kabi sathi umlayezo ongahambela zonke indawo, ngoba lo mlayezo eqinisweni uma abantu bonke bengaba nothando ngeke kube khona le ndaba ye gender based violence, ngeke kuzokube khona ukubulalana, ngeke kuzokube khona ubugebengu, ngoba phela awumgebengu kanjani umuntu omthandayo. I think ilokho engibona ukuthi kushoda kakhulu ukwazisana.
Usihlalo weAction SA KwaZulu-Natal uzwakele Mncwango naye kube ingxenye yalomcimbi wenxusa abantu kuba bengalaleli ngisho abaholi uma bekhuluma into ebangoqhekeko ngokobuhlanga.
So my message today to everyone: let's reject racism. Let's reject everyone, even those in leadership who continuously divide us along the line. Because it's easier for some leaders to take podium when they address the media to try by all means to gain popularity by dividing us along the line.
Ezindabeni ze1 KZN TV kubika umqondisi Miyeni ngeSarichards Bay.